100 Common Classroom Objects. School is a place where every corner is filled with different objects that help us in learning. From pencils and books to smartboards, each of these items plays a significant role in the learning process. In this video, you will get to know the objects of school and see how each one helps us in our learning. In Tangled, these objects can be recognized as tools for growth and progress. 100 Common Classroom Objects. Backpack or school bag. Book. Desk. Chair. Swivel chair. Clock. Blackboard. Chalk. Whiteboard. Bulletin board or notice board. Notebook or exercise book. Pen. Fountain pen. Ballpoint. Marker. Pencil. Pencil case. Pencil pot. Colored pencils. Pencil sharpener. Crayons. Felt tip pens. Eraser or rubber. Correction fluid. Correcting pen. Scissors. Cutter. Glue. Glue stick. Ruler. Protractor. Set square. Highlighters. Calculator. Binder clips. Clips or paper clips. Pins or drawing pins. Stapler. Staples. Staple remover. Tape or adhesive tape. Tape dispenser. Hole punch. Compass. Stencil. Computer. Laptop. Keyboard. Computer mouse. Printer. Projector. Speaker. E-book reader. Pen drive or USB flash drive. paper, paper bin, sticky notes, calendar, clipboard, file holder, plastic folders, paper tray, globe, map, magnifying glass, drawing pad, palette, paints, paintbrush, canvas, Play-Doh, clay, plasticine, textbook, commonplace book, appointment book, dictionary, bookend, bookshelf, geometry box, pen refill, caps, ink pot, classroom, timetable, bell, school uniform, badge, locker, vending machine, microscope, test tubes, flask, beaker, fire extinguisher, lamp, tiffin box, water bottle, envelope, binders or ring binders, keep studying English, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!